was a time when shows would go on endlessly. The iconic Friends would have close to 24 episodes in a season. The Office brought us entertainment with seasons spanning over 20 episodes. Even in India, we followed suit. A little conservatively though. Breathe, 12 episodes. Mirzapur, 10 episodes. But this is before Legends came into the picture. Legends like Ekta Kapoor with Gandhi Baat Season 6. 2 episodes. 2 freaking episodes. Ramadhir Singh was right.
और कब तक हम अपने ब्रा को फ्रिज में रख के अपने कलेजे को ठंडक देते रहेंगे?
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
January has led to a lack of content that has really satiated my need for trash content. But there is always a savior. And yes, that is the safe haven, the flag bearer for engaging and revolutionary content, Alt Balaji. And here came a season of a series that just does not get tired of renewing more and more seasons. A case, of course, of many people watching it behind closed doors and don't want to admit that they do. But also strikingly on the lack of effort the creators are putting in even showcasing any form of artistry or excellence. I really don't care about spoilers in this case, so if you're in the demographic of fans that really care about the premise of Gandhi Baat Season 6, you will be disappointed with this video, as I really want to tell you in depth of just the sheer lack of effort that the creators have showcased with this season. While in Season 5 we saw how erotic novels would notice real-life couples and create a real and fictional amalgamation of a tale between unions that are not supposed to happen. What is so new in Season 6? Well, if you want to talk about it in a nutshell, imagine if the creators of Crime Patrol, Gumrah or Savdhan India wanted to do a revamp for a more age-restricted audience and hired Poonam Pandey to host the show. More or less, this would be the product. Gandhi Baat is so revolutionary that it has, through this season, created a new genre in itself, called Thrillex. What would be the outcome if I gave you a shoestring budget and force you to make a crime thriller but include at least 4 to 5 steamy scenes between actors? Well, you get Gandhi Baat Season 6. A fictional series that is so dumb, so bizarre that I found myself laughing hysterically only for my mother to enter and try to come to terms with what am I doing with my life. Following the same theme of urban stories from rural India, we get the first episode, titled with extreme subtlety and nuance, Who Killed My Wife? The funniest part of a series like Gandhi Baat is that I can identify what its intention is through the series. Gandhi Baat, in its crass, vulgar and over-the-top treatment, may be a celebration of the woman's body, making several topics considered to be taboo like erectile dysfunction or the mysterious case of a woman's orgasm normal, and provide a take on the restrictive and herd mentality that our society possesses. But it's more or less just a hint of that message with a plethora of sleazy content. When the actress in the first episode, after a disappointing session of coitus, says, "Tum pankhe jaise ho, hilte rehte ho, lekin thande nahi karte," I knew I was in for an absolute blast. The first episode showcases a girl who is criticized because she wears short clothes and does as she pleases. There is this mysterious box that is passed around the entire episode, which has led to the lives of many women in bed changing for the better. Again, because I don't care about the spoilers and I have to tell you on how dumb the series is, suddenly murders start happening in the episode. So there are 2 mysteries to be solved. One, who is the murderer? But what's in the box that is being passed around among these housewives? Any guesses? What can be so special that it's changing the lives of housewives in bed? Write it down in the comments before I tell you. Yup, any sane person would have guessed it. It's a dildo. So, Jamie, you're trying to tell me that the entire episode, the first episode of 40 minutes, is a crime thriller revolving around a dildo? Yes, all the murders happen because the real sook has been provided by a sex toy. The series, while setting a crime thriller around a dildo, and if that wasn't bizarre enough, also has some of the most dated dialogues from vintage Hindi cinema. You have people saying things to women like "bilkul characterless hai," and mother-in-law saying things like "वैसे भी लड़की को शादी के बाद कपड़ा और पसंद दोनों बदलना पड़ता है," and women discussing in a salon about the provocative nature of the deceased by saying "नीचे के बाल भी वैक्स करती थी." I also noticed that this series has the same treatment as the early 2000 serials. Even as a kid, when I used to watch them, I used to wonder, why do vamps in serials while being alone in a room say their devious plan out loud? Every person just announces what they are thinking and what they're about to do. 20 minutes in the first episode and almost every character has already done it. So all the murders have happened because this particular object has helped many women identify their G-spot. But the same object gets passed around to several women. Are these characters mindfully sanitizing this product? Screw that. Doesn't sharing such an object also lead to many health risks? COVID चल रहा है भाई, ये बड़े important सवाल है. Anyway, episode 2. That's the funniest, I have to tell you. Just on the sheer nonsense the creators think they can get away with. In a nutshell, a man suffers from erectile dysfunction and is embarrassed in public. He tries to find many solutions, only to understand through a mysterious voice that rage really gets him going. So he goes left, right, and center, murdering people he finds, gets aroused, and finally the wife, who is craving to get laid for so long, gets what she always wanted: a good session from the man. The episode titled Experiment explores how by trying different things as a couple in bed, you can still make things spicy and exciting. तो murder ही सही, मतलब कुछ भी. Yes, I know. There are many things that are better out there. But there's always a fascination of how such a series garners such massive numbers online in viewership. Is it just a case of sleazy content being available? Maybe. I mean, this definitely has to be the lowest common denominator of something that can get people aroused because it's cringy, badly acted, and just downright absurd. If someone is getting their kinks out through this show, then more power to them. I will never seek for the ban of these kind of shows, the uproar that we usually see online, as it does reflect on the content we as the public gravitate towards. I'm not talking about all of you, trust me. This is the case of a lot of people who maybe don't even watch this channel and who prefer physical assets rather than thoughtful storytelling. But this is no shade to them, it is what it is. Gandhi Baat Season 6, if you can call it a season, is another case of Ekta Kapoor just presenting something which sells. आप खरीदते जाओ, Season 7 भी आ जाएगा, एक episode के साथ. And that was the video, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you've seen the show, what you think about this series just getting extended season after season. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.